Greetings, this is Daniel, the Passive Cash Stacker, and today I'm going to be doing an honest 7-figure accelerator review for you. I actually took part in this program, and we're going to go ahead and dive into it today. I'm going to show you the basics of the funnel. I'm going to show you what the course includes, what I love, some things that I may not necessarily love too much, and the things that I really find are super powerful about this program. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and show you an amazing bonus that you're not going to find anywhere because it's actually from me. So this is a high ticket course after the free training. If you decide that you want to go ahead and jump into this course, there are going to be 2 different offers of bonus from me, depending on which offer you decide to go with. When you go through the funnel, at first, you will go ahead and land on a sign up page. And one thing that I love is that they actually brand everything to you. So I am Daniel, the Passive Cash Stacker. And you see here, they brand everything for you. And they have your face and your name on all of the funnels. And what I love is all of the funnels are done for you. So you don't have to buy ClickFunnels. You don't have to set up your own funnels or anything like that. And the big thing that they talk about inside this program is 95% of the stuff is done for you. Now, let me go ahead and go through the bonus. I'll dive into it. I'll tell you all the good stuff and we'll see what we have. When you get inside the funnel, you have 2 options. So the first option is just the 7-figure accelerator. So if you decide to get the 7-figure accelerator, that's the front end, then I will give you access to my flagship YouTube ranking course. I sell every day a $1,000 course. This is literally all the secrets from 4 $1,000 courses, plus all of my tried and true testing and how I make a full-time income by self-monetizing on YouTube. The 37 video module YouTube ranking course, you will get access to all the tips, tricks that I have learned and tested in the trenches, and you will go ahead and get access to this free of charge on day 31 after you purchase the front end. And the reason that is, this is a $1 course that I'm going to be giving you, so you will get this after the refund period is done with the 7-figure accelerator course. So you will get access to this, and I've got tons and tons of students that have been able to make money as well as be able to rank a lot of videos. I've been able to rank a lot of stuff during launches, and I've got tons and tons of video and text testimonials of people who have been able to take the course and who have enjoyed the fruits of it. Now, with the front end, I will also give you 30 days free access to my YouTube ranking extension. This is how I 30x the speed in being able to rank it. So everything that I teach in the course you can do manually, but with my extension, you can rankings video description in about 45 to 90 seconds, where usually it'll take you 45 minutes, even an hour, depending on the description you're making, to be able to rank with high SEO. The great thing about my extension, you don't need to know anything about video SEO to be able to do it. It actually does it for you if you bring 1 or 2 keywords that you want to try to rank for. So you get 30 days free access to this if you get the front end. And I'm also going to show you one thing that I found in the course that was a little bit lacking. They tell you about short video strategies and stuff like that, but they don't really flesh out tons and tons of information about outsourcing. And for me, I have been doing a lot of outsourcing recently. I currently have 1 full-time VA that works 40 hours a week. Plus, I also have about 12 different other VAs that do various tasks for me on a daily basis. I will show you the ins and outs of hiring, firing, and how to outsource this content so you can save a lot of time and money. Currently, I have somebody who is making all of my reels for me, and they are modeled on the ones that are ranking and getting lots and lots of engagement. I'm going to show you the steps for that as well in your outsourcing, so that once you make a sale or 2 and you are getting some money in, then you can also do outsourcing as well. I'm going to give you access to this information as a bonus for the front end. Now, you will get all of that. There is a second offer. And inside the second offer, you have the ability to get 100% commissions on 6 of his previous products, Philip Johansen, and you get 100% commissions on the whole entire funnel. And the great thing about it is they will also do done-for-you funnels like they have done with the 7-figure accelerator. So there is no work that you need to do. They also include all of the swipe files and emails, and they will actually preload those into your email autoresponder. So as soon as somebody gets into your funnel at the top, you'll be able to just promote all of the 6 other programs where you will get 100% commissions, and it will just email all of your leads as they go down automatically. With the 7-figure accelerator, you get 100 days of follow-ups for his main program, along with them teaching you how to do a lot of other techniques. But you will also get these 6 programs here. You will get all the email follow-ups done for you funnels and 100% commissions on that. And if you decide that you want to sell the 7-figure accelerator, you will take your commissions from 50% to 65%. So you will get a 15% bump on your commissions if you decide to sell 7-figure accelerator. And if you decide to take this option here, then I will give you 1 year of free access to my YouTube ranking extension. I charge $477 a year for this. So if you take that OTO1 or that upsell, then I will give you 1 free year of this. So not only will you get my YouTube ranking course, the 37 modules of showing you how I make 100% of my money every single day that pays all of my bills, but you will also get the extension that I had built for myself that has 15 apps in one, and you'll get 1 year of free access to that. That's $477. I sell that every day. You will get this massive bonus absolutely no charge to yourself. So you'll be able to get my YouTube ranking course. You'll get 13 months of the YouTube ranking extension because you'll get a month free on the front end. And I will also do the training for you on the outsourcing and how I've been able to save a ton of money, have 12 people doing tasks for me, and how I was able to hire and fire people who are doing a good job. And I will also give you a template that I use during every hiring so that everything is set up front so that you don't have people trying to get raises after working for a week or anything like that. You put together a nice little compact that says, hey, this is what we're offering. If you like it, come on board. And we will be able to show you how to increase the amount of content you can put out because you can outsource it quick, fast, and in a hurry with quality content. One thing that I want to say is that when you get in the funnel, what I love is that it has a super high quality training when you just jump in, no charge. He gets in and he tells a lot about how he pulls in commissions, how he does short form content, how he was able to transition into high ticket affiliate marketing, and just being able to attend the free training by itself, you can take away and go with that, and it's really good information. Now, what I love about the funnel itself is if you actually decide to jump into the funnel, then you have the ability to get a lot of training on not just short form content, but affiliate marketing, the right mindset that you need to be able to accomplish the goals that you have, being able to set things up step by step. Like, this has a tremendous amount of information. Now, this is a pay to play type program where if you want to promote this, you do have to buy the product. But what I love about it is you don't just have to promote this product. And it doesn't just teach you how to promote this product. It actually shows you some really good gold nuggets inside where you could use it to promote any product. And if you look here, they actually had an old training, right? They had an old training hosted on ClickFunnels. There was about 50 different modules. Now, what I love is that the new training they have, it's on Kajabi now, they actually have 327 different modules. Now, that just blows my mind because it comes through and it gives you ways to be able to get traffic, ways to be able to take advantage of this huge firestorm that is short video content. But they show you a lot about like Instagram and TikTok and Facebook and how to be able to the sales. Once you've gotten a few sales here and there, it's got a lot of information on motivation and mindset. And what I love about it is that it's got tons and tons of training, which is phenomenal because when you go from 40 or 50 modules to 327, you're going to get a lot more information. And it's a mind blown how much value comes inside. And a lot of people in these pay to play type courses, they only buy it just so they can promote it. But what I love about this is it provides a lot of other value besides just promoting this program. So this one here is coming with 327 different lessons. And every single Wednesday, they have live calls, training calls, over-the-shoulder calls with Philip Johansen and his partners. So every week, if you have questions, you have the ability to be able to ask those questions live with him, where he's making tons and tons of money. And it gives you the opportunity to be able to ask questions from one of the biggest people in the industry and to get live answers. You're not waiting for email responses or anything like that. Every Wednesday, you can get on a call and you can ask questions. You can submit your short form content to see if there's anything you need to do, anything that might help you get more traction. And they will go through and look at it and critique it for you so that you can grow on whatever you're promoting. So if you're promoting this, yeah, you can make some high ticket sales with it, but just being able to get that type of information, you pay the fee for the course and you have the ability to constantly get information, feedback, critiques, and you can learn and grow with like-minded people. That's well worth it to me. I'm actually really excited about the content that's in here. I do recommend the 7-Figure Accelerator. I think it's pretty awesome. But they don't really go super into detail about outsourcing. But I think as people start to grow in there, he's adding new content to the course all the time. He went from 50 to 327. So that's a huge jump in just the last month. And he continues to add content to this. He wants this to be a one-stop course. And yes, it does focus a lot around promoting this particular product, but it's got a lot of nuggets and a lot of juicy information in there that allows you to promote anything that you want to promote out there, which is very important because programs come and go, but the knowledge and the nuggets that you find, they last for a long time. And it is a very good investment. I've made some purchases out there and techniques and stuff like that that I wasn't super happy with. You pay $300, $400, $500 for one single technique, and then you're like, really? And I'm very happy with the investment in this program, with what I've learned, with what I've seen, and the continual growth in the last month since I've been in there. It does take a few days, 7 or 8 days, for them to get your done-for-you funnels if you do want to promote the 7-Figure Accelerator. But what I love, you input your information, and they will build out the funnel for you. They'll give you all the funnel links. If you have Aweber, they will actually put all of the emails in your email autoresponder with your links, with your name, and they will get that set up for you. So all you have to do is give them the Aweber login, give them your email, and they will build out your funnel for you, build out your email autoresponder, and in 5 to 7 days, you have that up and ready to drive traffic to. And then they do all the sales in the back end if you want to promote the 7-Figure Accelerator. With the information inside the course, you can use this to promote anything. Your product, a different product, the other 6 products that he has in the upsell #1, or any other high-ticket affiliate program. So this is really good information. I definitely give it a big thumbs up. If you decide to purchase through my link, you have the ability to get my YouTube ranking course that I sell between $1,000 and $500, depending on what time of year it is. You'll get that for free in the front end. You'll get outsourcing training on the front end. And if you do the upsell with the 7-Figure Multiplier, then I will go ahead and give you an additional year access to my YouTube ranking extension. So you can get a total of 13 months. And I charge $477 a year for that. You will get that free of charge if you purchase through my link. So if you have any questions, please leave them down below. If you want to go ahead and sign up, click the link down below and you can go ahead and do that. If you do decide to purchase through my link, you will get 30 days access of my extension. And then once 31 days comes around after the refund period is gone, then you will get access to my YouTube ranking course. And if you decide to purchase the upsell, you will also get 1 year additional access to my YouTube ranking extension, PCS Tube Growth. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. I'll talk to you later.